Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today let us revise and understand more about Roman numerals from 30 to 40. Arabic number is 31 and Roman number is XXI. So X represent 10 and I represent 1. So add these number and the given result is 31. Here Arabic number is 32 and Roman number is triple X and double I. So X represent 10 and I represent 1. So add these number and the given result is 32. Here Arabic number is 33 and Roman number is triple X and triple I. So X represent 10 and I represent 1. Add both these values and the answer is 33. Another Arabic number is 34 and the Roman number is triple XIV. Here we will apply rule number 3 and rule number 1. Rule number 1 is subtract smaller from greater, and rule number 3 is when symbol is repeated twice or thrice, then symbol is added. So X represent 10, I represent 1 and we represent 5. So add these values and the answer is 34. Next Arabic number is 35 and the Roman number is triple XV. So here again we will add both these values and the answer is 35. Another Arabic number is 36 and the Roman number is triple XVI. So add these values and the given result is 36. Next Arabic number is 37. So 37 represent triple XV double I. So X represent 10, we represent 5 and I represent 1 and the given result is 37. Next Arabic number is 38 and the Roman number is triple XV triple I. Add both these values and the answer is 38. Next Arabic number is 39 and the Roman number is triple XIX. Here again we will apply rule number 1 and rule number 3. So add both these values and the given result is 39. Last Arabic number is 40. So 40 represent XL. How we will make XL? X represent 10 and L represent 50. So subtract these number and the given result is 40. So 40 represent XL. Thank you.